And the topic for today is Beyond Chatbot, Next Generation Customer Support. Talking about myself, Prakash. I work as a senior software engineer at Fireflies.ai, if anyone like photo. Yeah. And like every other engineer, I like solving problem. I like breaking things, building stuffs, and anything that involves coding or tech. And if you guys want to connect with me, talk about the AI stuff, tech stuff, or anything in between, just shoot me with a connect at my LinkedIn and we can talk about things. The talk of today is rather short. We'll shortly discuss about AI agents. We'll start off with the customer service story, how eBay. I'll share one cool story. Basically, that's it. And then we'll dive into the AI agent, what AI agents are, how they can be revolutionary in field of customer service. We will see what LiveKit is and what Gemini is, and we will see how we can use LiveKit and Gemini to build the AI agent of our own. Okay, let's get started with the story first. So I need a volunteer for the story. Anybody? Okay, what's your name?
Jamie.
Jamie. Okay, so this is the cool Friday. This is the cool Monday afternoon. Jamie is back from his work. He's lying on his couch, scrolling through the phone. He's on eBay. He's checking out for the new stuff he saw. He saw a shoes and he decides to buy it. Right. So he goes and he checks the image. It's beautiful. He goes and sees the description, checks out the size. He's all good and happy. So he enters his card detail. Boop 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 boop. He enters his address. Boop 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 boop. Buy now. Dang. So order is placed. Now, whole week he keeps on thinking about his new shoes. He's really excited to try it, wear it on a new party and stuff. Finally, the day is here, and at the cool Friday afternoon, his shoes gets delivered. He receives the call from the eBay saying, "Hey, your thing is at your doorstep. Come and pick it up." He gets the box, brings it to his apartment, and he's really excited to open it. He gets the scissor, goes through the parcel, and he opens the box. But you guess what it is? The thing is wrong. He's supposed to receive shoes, but instead he receives a makeup kit. Now what does he do? He's really disappointed, and he goes up to call to the eBay and rant on them and ask for the refund. But bad luck, it's already too late. It's already 6 in the evening. Nobody's there to pick the call, and he's left hanging until next Monday. So days pass by. He's supposed to enjoy his weekend, right? But he can't because he keeps on thinking about the new thing that he has to get exchanged. He's walking on the beach. He's supposed to be enjoying the walk and stuff, but he couldn't because he was really anxious about the order that went wrong. And Monday comes to you. On this Monday morning, he wakes up. He gets his coffee. He's all ready to get in a call with somebody from the eBay so he can sort out the things. He dials in the number, boop, 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 puts on the phone. But you know how the thing is, there is a wait line as always. He's just hoping like, please somebody just pick up, please somebody just pick up, please pick up, right? And suddenly sweet lady's voice come out from the other end saying, "Tada, you're at freaking line, freaking 1079 in the wait line, and your wait time is 101 minutes. Apparently, he's not the only one having the problem with eBay. There are already people waiting in the line since 7 a.m., and he has to be in the wait line. And that's really sad, right? So how good it would have been, he could have just got into the call with somebody right then, right there in the Friday evening, sort everything out within a few minutes like this. Okay. Give me a second. Okay, I need to. Hold up, something is wrong here. I can't share this thing. Give me a second. I'll get it. Second, guys. Okay. Should be there now. Okay. Long shot. What if we could just get in the call with somebody and do something like this?
Sam from eBay. How can I help you today?
Hey Sam, I hope you're doing good. This is Prakash. I wanted to talk about the order that was misplaced. I was supposed to receive a shoe last Friday, but instead I received a makeup kit.
Oh no, that sounds like a mix-up. Let's get that sorted out. Could you please provide me with the order ID so I can look into it?
Yeah, sure. The order ID is 1.
Great news, I found your order. Now, could you please give me your full name and mobile number so I can verify the order details?
Sure. My name is Prakash, and my mobile number is 1233.
It seems like there's a hiccup with the mobile number. Could you please double check and provide the correct mobile number associated with the order? We'll get this sorted out for you.
Oh yeah, my bad. It seems the mobile number is 1234. Can you try that?
Awesome. We've verified your order. Now let's get into the details of the mix-up. Give me a moment to fetch the order status for you. It seems your order for the shoes was delivered to the address on March 10th. Now, how would you like to proceed with this?
What are the available options for this?
You can request a refund, exchange the item, or if there's something specific you'd like to do, let me know and I'll do my best to assist. What works best for you?
Yeah, I think I would like to get a refund.
All right, let's check if your order is eligible for a refund. Just a moment. Good news, your order is eligible for a refund. Let's proceed with that. First, I'll need to verify the card details for the refund. Could you please provide the last 4 digits of the card you'd like the refund to be processed to?
It's 1111.
We'll process the refund to the card ending in 1111. Does that work for you? If so, I'll move forward with the refund.
Sure, yeah, that works.
Fantastic. Your refund has been successfully processed. You'll see it reflected on your card soon. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you so much for your help. Bye. Okay, and folks, that was the demo of how you can shorten the wait time of 101 minutes in 3 minutes. You no longer have to wait for.
Is his hand up? To mute. Make it.
Please forgive all these issues, but yeah, we just saved tons of time. Okay, so yeah, so the thing that you just saw was an AI agent, right? And yeah, it is able to do the stuff. So let's get started with what is an AI agent. AI agent is a system that is autonomous, is able to interact with users, and is able to do some tasks with some information that it already has. That's all. That's basically sums up the thing we built, right? It is autonomous. It has information about the order. It find out our order. It checked where it went wrong. It offered us a refund and stuff. So yeah, that's all what AI agent does. And how this sort of AI agent can change the course of the traditional chatbot. Have you ever noticed whenever you see a chatbot in any website or any other applications, it often follows a predefined script and set of rules. You can only click few buttons. You cannot type your heart out. You cannot ask any questions you want. You can just like click on the buttons. It shows you 4 options. You pick any 4 and it drills down, and that's how it goes. It only answers the basic FAQs, and more not than often, it always hits you in the face with this long text, right? But what AI agent does is it operates independently and it is able to make decisions. It is able to talk to you like a normal human being. It is able to take your order request as a personalized order request and offer you the results that are best suited for you. It is able to drill down the complex issue and come up with the better solution for it. So let's get into the tech of the things that I use to build the stuff. The agent that we just saw was built on top of the LiveKit and Google's Gemini, of course. LiveKit is an open source real-time broker service. It helps us to do the multi-user conferencing and anything real-time, be it video, audio, on top of the WebRTC. And fun fact, OpenAI's real-time service also use LiveKit. So, okay, and I don't think I need to talk more about the Gemini. Gemini is the super intelligent thing LLM from the model. It can talk to you like a human. It does various things. It is very knowledgeable. It processes text, image, audio, many things and stuff. And we use the Gemini's multimodal in this case to power our AI agent. And to the other part, why did I choose LiveKit, or why you should choose LiveKit, right? Basically, it comes with batteries included. Anything you need to do for the real-time application, be it setting up the environment, server, and stuff, they all come in with LiveKit. It has a wide range of tooling, huge open source community using it, and tons of people who are willing to help you out if you get stuck. Also, it is primarily real-time. So, like just for example, in our case, the AI agent that we built had to be real time. It had to provide response to our questions in real time. It had to interact with us with as low latency as it can. And for cases like this, LiveKit is very optimal choice. And a few other stuff like it is scalable. Think about eBay having hundreds of calls every minute. You need something that is very scalable to power those things. And it integrates very easily with any models or AI things, LLMs like Gemini. In our case, we use Gemini, but it can operate on top of other models too, like OpenAI, Anthropic, and your choice. They basically integrate with tons of different things. And about Gemini, yeah, it is awesome. And also, this is the Google Talks. I had no other choice, right? But besides that, yeah, it is very intelligent. It actually is very powerful at understanding the natural language. It can talk to you like a human. It can process text, images, audio, whatever. It also is good at. It is very scalable and it is also very performance efficient. And like LiveKit, it is also very good at integrating with other stuff, so we can build something awesome. Okay, now how it works. So the AI agent thing here, it has 4 main components. The first one is the LiveKit Meet, or the UI that you saw. The other video, the video call on the demo, that's the actual UI. Then we have this LiveKit server, that is the heart of our AI agent. The brain is Gemini, of course. And we have agent backend that is responsible for all sort of database query we make or organizing the code with Gemini and stuff. And at the end, we have the Gemini that does all the heavy lifting here. So what happens here is LiveKit, basically we clients and the AI agent are connected here through the LiveKit server, which operates on top of WebRTC. We have a WebRTC connection from our Meet with AI agent, and any audio, or in our case, it's audio, the thing that we do when we speak, or the thing when AI agents speak. It is transmitted from the LiveKit service itself. The audio goes to from me to the LiveKit server, then to the AI agent, and from AI agent to Gemini. Gemini does all the processing, and it comes back in the same way. Okay, now let's get into the code. Yeah, this is the code. It's all easy peasy lemon squeezy, not more than 20 lines of code. Obviously, the instruction you put is going to change the length, but that's all you need to set up your own agent. It's not difficult at all. And just to let you know, I set up the agent that I built within 1.5 hours. So yeah, it's quite easy. Basically, you used all the things that are provided with LiveKit, and you add your prompts and stuff for it, so it can operate on top of it and do the thing that you want. Okay, now let's talk what happens behind the scene, or what exactly happens when you, as a user, get inside the LiveKit call. Okay, so how the thing works is, before the call starts, our agent needs to be registered. It's like registering yourself available for work at your office. Whenever you go to your office in the morning, you walk up, you show your ID, you check in, that's how we know you're ready to work. And similar to that, that's how the agent registers itself to the LiveKit server. LiveKit server is this guy, the big guy on the bottom, whatever direction that is. So yeah, after it registers itself, it is ready to accept the calls. And whenever a user joins, for example, whenever you join the call, an event is emitted from your end to the LiveKit server, which is then again relayed to the worker node or the AI agent who is responsible to deploy itself, right? And whenever it receives the event, worker node just spin up the new agent and send it to your call. It's like saying, hey, somebody is waiting for you in the call, and I need somebody to join into the call. And it spin up the new agent, and it sends to your call. And after that is where all the magic happens. You are in the call, and you start talking to each other. Like you start talking to agent, and agent start responding to your queries and all the steps. And just to refresh on the things that happens here, you start the call, all of your audio data is sent via WebRTC connection to the LiveKit server. And again, it is emitted back to the AI agent. AI agent sees what you talk and sends it to the Gemini. Gemini actually processes the audio you send. So in this case, LiveKit server is mere proxy to transmit the data between your video chat and agent. So it only relays the data. It doesn't do any other processing. The actual processing here happens in the Gemini, the brain, of course. So Gemini's multimodal API or model just takes in the audio stream that we send into it. It analyzes it and comes up with the things that it has to speak up next, or any other thing the agent has to do. For example, in our case, we had to check if order was valid or if the name and mobile number was matching, right? So in this case, what Gemini does, it analyzes the things and see, oh, we have to verify the order first. It invokes a function call inside the agent. So it informs the agent, hey, agent, can you run this particular function in your code? So we can see if order is valid or not. And once agent runs this part of code, like in this in its own environment to check if order is valid, then it again responds back to the Gemini saying, hey, the order is valid, and Gemini then generates the response that you have to be streaming it to the users. Okay, and I think that's all I have to share, to be honest. It's rather short but interesting thing. Here are the references, the things that I found out looking into the LiveKit's code base, and things for the Google's Gemini, multimodal agents, function calling, and things in between. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. If you have any questions, yes, sure. Go ahead. Yes, we have deployed. Also, okay, we have deployed.
What scale?
To be honest, okay, for our use case, Firefly is at the moment does the meeting for 20 million users every month. So it's very scalable. We do about 250,000 meetings every day. So, but LiveKit here is as our fallback. So not more than 10% of those meetings next to the LiveKit. We have other inside things too that does the meeting. So it is quite good. It is because even OpenAI uses it to power its real-time thingy. So it's quite good.
Oh, the advanced voice mode.
Sorry.
Sorry, the advanced voice mode products. So what does OpenAI use for?
Oh, for the real-time models. Like, for example, they recently announced the ChatGPT's, forgot the model name, but it is GPT's mini transcription model. It uses this thing for transmitting the audio, also for its any other real-time API. Have you ever used the API from OpenAI? It has the real-time API that does similar stuff, and it is powered by LiveKit too.
For your use case, did you connect with any servers, like to get the customer details and all that?
Yeah, I just made my own database because I didn't have any. So I just built. I just tried to replicate my pseudo RAG system. So
Right, yeah.
I just built my thing. So it's all static.
Okay, so you just use the REST APIs too?
Yeah.
Yeah, not MCP or
No.
not yet. Okay.
So, folks, any other questions or anything you want to talk about? Yeah, sure.
Did you see the conversation between the server and Gemini, or could you see what text was, like what the prompt looked like?
Yeah, actually, I have the whole thing with prompts on the GitHub. I'll be sharing the link because actually I did the prompting and stuff and things. So
you logged everything on?
yes.
Okay, great.
Did I answer you?
That's perfect.
Okay. Any further questions? No? Are we good?
Thanks.
Okay, excellent.
Thank you so much, Prakash, for that insightful presentation.